Okay. So, what I need to be looking at. Scenes, let's go with World 1 Level 1. Mr. Clam. Licky the Clam. So I might as well go ahead and get Visual Studio going on this. What do I want to open? Radar, radar script. Where's the punch script? Yeah, I'll go ahead and open this one. Okay. Giant Clam. Punch script. Let's see, I have the lick punch. Angry attack. Lick loop, attack forward. So I can mark that off my list. Alright. Now I'm not even sure what I need to be working on at the moment. Radar and FSM. Flock manager calls. Probably conflict. Yep. Standing on a clam looks odd. Giant. Can't grab the clam. Yep. Jump attack item. Not implemented. Let's see. I think I probably need to go have a look at the FSMs. It's probably the main issue at the moment. Would be in here. Not the take damage FSM, but more like the movement FSM. Alright, so I have eat item, and this is probably going to require looking at the Giant Clam radar and the Giant Clam rich AI script, which I should be able to grab from over here somewhere. Okay, rich AI, Giant Clam. So the thing is here. Okay, so I have a couple of events here to fire. Eat item and attack. And if I look at the crab, which is already set up, I should be able to bring its rich AI in here for reference. Scroll down. I have item pickup and attack, if it's in the hunt state. So what that basically means is if I go over and have a look at the hunt state, this will just fire an attack, and then it decides what attack to use. And then what is it that fires these? It should be the crab radar. Where's my crab radar? So for crab radar, this is where it does things like saying a jump attack up, or a different event like jump attack forward, only if the active state name is hunt. So it's not going to conflict, you know, and try to throw in a jump attack forward when hunt when it's already doing a different attack, basically. So if I look at the Giant Clam radar, I scroll up into set AI target, nope. Higher up here. Alright, so this is the main update loop. And you can see I don't have any of these calls. So I need to implement some calls to do some different methods. So let me go ahead and toss this over here. I'm going to go ahead and put all the Giant Clam stuff on one side here. So rich AI, radar. Okay. So we have a decide jump attack for the crab. The clam, I suppose, could decide a jump attack. More related to deciding whether or not it will attack. not specifically which type of attack it wants to do. So I won't need this else if here. It'll just be this jump attack forward. So I should probably just bring in this decide jump attack script. So ping timer, set look direction, and then let's see, awake. Yeah, that's the wrong script. There we go. All right. Ooh, I already have the jump attack in here. I just haven't messed with it. All right. Get rid of the else if. Jump attack forward. All of that should be good. Am I using decide jump attack? Awesome. I am using decide jump attack, so that's good. It's pretty much already implemented. It's already implemented that it can use the jump attack. So now I need to say decide, maybe decide lick loop attack. I'll have to have a look. So the two attacks I'm looking at needing to implement something for are the lick loop attack forward and the like a spin attack, like an angry attack. So the angry attack should actually be handled by the FSM, so I don't need to deal with that. What do I need to deal with then? Decide lick loop attack. I guess I can do that one. So where would be a good place to decide if I want to do a lick loop attack? So if jumper, I could probably do something similar here. Let's see. So if, I don't know, not loop, what would I want to say? If lick loop, if licker, I'll just go with licker. I like it. And licker is not a bool, so let me just go up here and implement this under here. So now I have licker. Let's see. So I'm going to need to decide lick attack. Probably just copy and paste this. Decide lick attack. Alright. So if the player is equal to null, or the target of the giant clam is not equal to the player, or the jump choice timer, I don't need to worry about the jump choice timer. Maybe I should have a lick choice timer though. Well, this has a probability for the lick loop. So the jump choice timer, let's see, in positions, if jump choice timer is equal to 3, or, oh yeah, jump choice timer is assigned 3, never mind. Sphere cast, blah blah, random range. Okay, so here's where we get our random probabilities in here. So I should probably have a lick probability, that would make sense, and then maybe a lick choice timer. So have a lick probability, and then a lick choice timer. So let's go down, decide lick attack. Let's see, jump choice, so this will be a lick choice timer. And we can go ahead and select this, see if there's any other references. Nope, just that one. And then we need, what was the other one? The, I've got licker, I've got, yes, the probability. So the lick probability, just like the jump probability, should be set in setup. Yeah, so it gets set in the setup script, which means I need to have my setup script. Giant clam, where is my setup script? Giant clam setup. Alright, because I just added some other booleans here, I need to make sure that I have them in here. Liquor, lick probability. I don't think I need the timers. I don't need those in there. Suggested name, private float jump choice time. Yeah, I can ignore that. That's pretty minor as far as code quality is concerned. Alright, but what I do need to do is find my crab radar script reference in here. So I have my reference to jumper is being set. I'll set my reference to liquor to whatever the setup determines it needs to be, and then same thing for the lick probability. Okay. Go ahead and save that. Save the radar. So now I do have a decide lick attack implemented. Yep. So I have a jump attack, and this only works because longer distance from player activates it before the rich AI can fire on target reached. I guess that could work. It doesn't need to get all the way up to the player. I'm going to change this to rich AI clam. That should still be fine. Alright, so now I have the... Let's see here. So that should be good. I have the a jump attack in. I have a lick loop attack in. Do I have the regular old attack in? And I do not. So what I need to go do here, and Unity needs to update scripts and such. Come on, Unity. Come on. Come on. Alright. So what I want to do is look in the movement here for the clam. So I have attack. And attack goes here. Random hesitation, non-item attack and stuff. So it does have a beside attack, which I may choose to use. But it doesn't need things like attacks above while grounded, because it won't do that. Get position, target position, float compare my position. So let me go review and see how the crab handles this real quick. Since I did just sort of copy and paste it from its FSM. Okay, so it checks if it has an item, and if it has a swingable item, it goes into the above check. This then goes into the beside check, and gets where the position of the player is in relation to it, and then fires a beside attack. So it's pretty much already set up, I think, for the crab, or for the clam. I just need to take this random hesitation and say pass that into here, and then take, let's see. So what did beside attack, did it actually feed into an attack? Yes, it does. it feeds into this. So I need to copy that state, go back to the clam. There we are. Oop. Really? Come on. No. There we are. Alright, so beside attack is going to go into here. Otherwise, it's going to check and see... Wait a minute. I already had it. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Beside attack will go into here. Finished will go into here. So if it finishes without doing a beside attack, and let's see what the finish. So yeah, it has plenty of checks in here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that action. Let's see. So this will only go and give the chance of a beside attack. Well, this is non-item attack. Oh, okay, never mind. It can do a beside attack whether it has an item or not. Because that's what this does. This checks and does a beside attack, spin attack Y, or a pinch attack. And what's this one do? An above attack. Okay. So it's making this a little too complicated. This already has the beside attack. So this is a non-item attack, which is going to be the above attack, which I do not want. I don't ever want the clam to attack above. What do you think about that? Yeah, I don't think I want them to attack above. Yeah. So, above attack. Otherwise, it feeds into choosing the beside attack. So I'm going to take... I'm going to leave this in here. This non-item attack, I'm going to leave that in there. But I'm going to delete these two and bring this straight into here. So this may never be used, but I'm going to keep it. May never be used. Keeping just in case. Okay. Because that would do an above attack, and I don't think I want to keep... I don't think I want that to happen now, but I changed my mind, you know, based on new information pretty frequently. So let's see here. This one will do a spin attack, and I don't need to set default eye targets because the clam doesn't have any. Attack position, medium hit, that should be fine. So this is really doing a distance check for the spin attack. And then this is going to send pinch, and pinch is not what I want to do. I want to say lick punch, I believe is the name. Go have a look in the clam punch, giant clam punch. Let's see what we have here. Jump attack forward, lick loop, angry attack, lick punch. Yep, that would be the correct name. So, let's see. Just gonna copy and paste, make sure it's correct. Take damage, weak hit. Okay, so random hesitation. Let's see, so that goes, that will take attack. Otherwise, we'll go to eat item. And that should be handled by the rich AI right here, the FSM event. So if it's not hunt, it returns. So make sure the active state name is hunt. And if the target is item, it'll simply fire eat item. And I want eat item to go back and do this. So eat item at the moment is not implemented. So, let's see. what this guy is going to do when it checks for the arms, and then it's going to pick an arm to use, and then it's going to do the item pickup. So it would probably be best to just grab this and do a bit of rework. So item pickup here. Item closest, store root and item held, L. So this is, I guess I can leave it as item held L. Disable gravity, store call set owner, disable orient the pickup, set held tag. See, I don't really want to do any of this. Get root of item closest. I think I want to do that. But then I just want to destroy it. Would need to make sure that the owner, let's see. I'm going to try undoing this, and hopefully that'll remove some of the variables it may have put in here. So there's a lot of variables in here that, you know, aren't being used because I've removed states. So what do I want to do for the animator bool manager? I need to go ahead and bring that up. Giant Clam animator bool manager. Come here. Because this should have a chomp effect in it. I could use Nash, or I could use something like Chomp. Let me go have a look at these animations. So where are my resources, the model, and the giant clam? I can bring this up, and we can see what the animation will look like. So for eating an item, I could just do a chomp, or I could have it go like nom 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 nom. Because chomping, that's meant to bite the player. I don't know. Let's see. Nom 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 nom. I think I'm gonna go with chomp. Gonna go with chomp. Alright. So we have like a deal damage here. It sends a message, spin attack Y. So here I want to do a send message.